In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user in HubSpot. If you're managing a team on HubSpot and find it necessary to adjust who has access to your account, understanding how to deactivate or remove a user is essential. Today, I'll guide you through three main processes: deactivating a user, removing a user from your account, and permanently deleting a user account. Let's start with how to deactivate a user. First, log into your HubSpot account using a super admin credentials. The super admin role is crucial here because only super admins have the authority to deactivate or remove users. Once logged in, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is your gateway to accessing the settings menu. From there, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Users and Teams. This will bring up a list of users associated with your HubSpot account. Carefully locate the user you wish to deactivate. Once you've identified them, hover over their name and click the Actions drop-down menu that appears. From this menu, select Deactivate. A confirmation prompt will follow, and you'll need to confirm the deactivation to complete the process. If you need to remove a user's access to your account entirely, this is a slightly different process. Again, begin by logging in as a super admin and click the gear icon to bring up the settings menu. Go to Users and Teams in the left sidebar. Find the user or users you wish to remove. Once selected, you'll see the option to remove from account at the top of the table. Clicking this will remove the user, but remember to confirm the removal when prompted. It's important to note that removing a user is different from deactivating them. Removing a user will sever their connection to any HubSpot content they were linked to. Finally, if your intention is to permanently delete a user's account, you must ensure the user has already been removed from the account using the steps we've mentioned earlier. Once that is done, log back into your HubSpot account with your credentials. Click your account name in the top right, then navigate to Profile and Preferences. On the left sidebar, you will find the Security section. Click on it, and under the Permanently Remove section, you'll see an option to delete the user account. You'll be prompted to enter the user's email address in a dialog box. Once entered, proceed by clicking Delete User. Before removing or deleting any user, make sure to address the reassignment of any records they own, such as contacts and companies, to other users. This ensures there are no disruptions in operations or loss of data. Moreover, understand the distinction between deactivation and removal. Deactivation removes user access but preserves their history and content ownership in HubSpot, while removal permanently deletes them. These steps should guide you effectively through managing user access in HubSpot, making your account administration more seamless.